Welcome to Biology 1 with Mr. Wasemann. This is a video to introduce my virtual class and to outline my expectations for learning online. First off, I want to make something very clear that this will not be the same as the distance learning experience that we had at the end of last year. This is going to be school online, so our expectations are different. First of all, unlike last year, assignments will be due by specific due dates, not at the end of the week. It is important that you log into Canvas daily to check for your assignments and when they are due. Assignments will be due at midnight, but they will be due on specific dates, not at the end of the week like they were at the end of last year. When you log into Canvas, make sure that you check for any changes, as the schedule may be updated as the week progresses. So it is very, very important that you keep track of when your assignments are due. As a virtual student, you are responsible for making sure that you are keeping up with your assignments, and that if you need help, that you are contacting me whenever necessary. For my virtual classes, I will have Zoom office hours on a regular basis. This will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10:30 to about 11 o'clock. This is during the normal third period time, and this is when I will be available to answer questions and to offer help whenever necessary. An important note, I also have a virtual AP biology class, and I will also be offering assistance to them at that time as well. So after 11 o'clock, I may be on a Zoom with my AP biology students. During this first semester for virtual classes, there may be required Zoom sessions. That is where you are required to log in to Zoom and to be present during that time. This will be in order to do certain lessons or maybe do virtual labs together. But I will plan those in advance, and I will give you plenty of warning as to when you will need to log in for those required Zoom sessions. I also wanted to outline my grading policies for this class. You will have two types of assignments: formative assessments and summative assessments. Your formative assessments are practice activities that you'll work on online, and those will be worth 30% of your final grade. Your summative assessments are the tests and quizzes that you'll be taking at the end of specific units, and those will be worth 70% of your final grade. Something new that we're using this year is a program called HonorLock, and this will be on all of your summative assessments. HonorLock is a monitoring software that will be on your iPad, and you will not be able to avoid it. And what it will do is it will track your activities as you are doing summative assessments. So if you are doing anything that you're not supposed to during a test or a quiz, such as switching over to your notes, trying to Google things, the HonorLock will record that and will send a message to me. And if that is the case, then consequences will follow. So please keep that in mind as we get into our summative assessments. Another thing to keep in mind for this biology class is that we have an end of course exam, our EOC, at the end of the year. This is usually in the beginning of May. The EOC is worth 30% of your total grade for the class. The way this works is that your first semester grade will be 35%. Your second semester grade will be another 35%, and your EOC grade will be the final 30%. You are able to contact me through email at kennethwasemann@mckeelschools.com. I will send out regular reminders on Canvas, so make sure that you are checking your Canvas inbox regularly. But I will also require all my virtual students to sign up for Remind, which is an app on your iPad or phone which will receive text messages, and I'll be sending messages through Remind to help you keep track of your assignments. Remind also allows you to send messages back to me, so if you have questions, comments, concerns, you can also contact me through Remind. To sign up for Remind, you need to text the number 81010 and send the message at Mr. Wasemann, and that will add you to my Remind class. All virtual students need to be signed up for Remind, as this is going to be an important way for me to keep in contact with you. I hope you're excited to get started with the new school year. I know I'm ready to get into some biology, so I'll see you online.